You're watching the Daily Market Comment by Rafi Boyajan. I'm Maria Bashardis. Thanks for joining us at XM.com. The minutes of the Federal Reserve's July policy meeting released yesterday have laid bare the extent of the divisions within the FOMC over the need for lower interest rates amid mixed signs about the health of the U.S. economy. While a couple of committee members argued for a deeper 50 basis points cut in July, several members favored keeping rates unchanged. The committee was also keen not to appear that it was on a preset course, but wanted to remain flexible regarding the outlook. The dollar headed higher after the minutes as a split Fed makes aggressive rate cuts less likely, at least at the next meeting in September. However, Treasury yields were little changed, and markets are still anticipating a total of 100 basis rate cuts over the next 12 months. The minutes also saw a muted response in equity markets, with the Dow Jones closing up 0.9%, boosted by strong earnings results. But the tempered expectations of Fed easing weighed on Asian stocks today, and doubts about the likelihood of tax cuts in the U.S. also dampened sentiment. President Trump seemed to back away from plans to cut taxes on payrolls and capital gains yesterday, having signaled as much only a day earlier. The fading hopes of a big stimulus in the United States raised doubts about whether policymakers around the world are doing enough to bolster global growth, and this dragged the Chinese yuan to an 11-year low in onshore trading. The ongoing protests in Hong Kong are also seen to be hurting sentiment in the region, keeping a lid on the recent recovery in risk appetite. The euro crossed back above $1.11 on Thursday after Eurozone PMIs beat expectations in the August flash readings, which helped lift some of the gloom surrounding the Eurozone economic outlook. While the data may be seen as reducing the need for large stimulus measures by the European Central Bank in September, it's unlikely to be enough to convince policymakers that big action would not be appropriate. Traders will be hoping the account of the ECB's July policy meeting, due at 11:30 GMT, may shed more light on what to expect at the September meeting. This was today's Daily Market Comment. Thanks for watching at XM.com.